Hi, I'm Scott, Development Chef at Panasonic, and in this video we're going to create an item which is perfect as a starter or as part of a sharing platter. The item that we're going to produce today is a lamb kofta. To start, we have our minced lamb, into which I'm going to add a mix of blended spices. Paprika, ground coriander, chili powder and cumin. I'm also going to add an egg and some panko breadcrumbs just for a little bit more texture. I'm going to bind this all together, and then I'm going to shape and mould this around my bamboo skewer. The cook program that I'm going to utilise for the Panasonic high-speed oven is microwave on P6, convection at 70% for 1 minute and 40 seconds. Once these come out of the oven, I have a lovely colour and caramelisation on the kofta. From a chef's perspective, all the mise en place is done, so at a touch of a button I can have these cooked perfectly every single time